Welcome to my channel. Today I discuss the very interesting topic. Stock market explained to a complete beginner. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Most people think the stock market is gambling. But in reality, it's simply how companies grow and how people become owners. If you are a complete beginner, this video is for you. In this video, I will explain the stock market in the simplest way possible. You don't need any background, no finance knowledge, and no experience. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how the stock market works. Keycap 1. What is the stock market? The stock market is a place where companies sell small parts of their business to raise money, and people buy those parts to become owners. Simple example. Imagine a company is like a big cake. The cake is divided into many small pieces. Each piece is called a share. Keycap 2. What is a share or stock? A share means ownership. When you buy one share, you own a small part of that company. You are not just a customer, you become a part owner. Keycap 3. Why do companies enter the stock market? A share means ownership. When you buy one share, you own a small part of that company. You are not just a customer, you become a part owner. Keycap 3. Why do companies enter the stock market? Explain clearly. To expand business. To open new branches. To invest in technology. To grow faster. Instead of taking loans, companies sell ownership to the public. Keycap 4. How does the stock market work? Step-by-step explanation. A company lists itself. Shares become available. People buy and sell shares. Prices change every day. The stock market works on demand and supply. Keycap 5. Why do stock prices go up and down? Explain simply. Company profits or losses. News and announcements. Economic conditions. Fear and greed of people. The stock market reacts to expectations, not just facts. Keycap 6. Is the stock market gambling? No, the stock market itself is not gambling. Gambling depends on luck. The stock market depends on businesses. Comparison. Gambling right pointing arrow no ownership. Stock market right pointing arrow ownership. Gambling right pointing arrow short term. Stock market right pointing arrow long term. Lack of knowledge turns investing into gambling. Keycap 7. Long-term versus short-term thinking. Long-term investors focus on growth. Short-term traders focus on quick profit. Time is the biggest advantage in the stock market. Keycap 8. Risk in the stock market. Honest explanation. The stock market involves risk. Prices can go up and down. There are no guarantees. Risk cannot be removed, but it can be managed with knowledge and patience. Keycap 9. Common beginner myths. Mention these. Crossmark only rich people invest. Crossmark perfect timing is needed. Crossmark it's fast money. Crossmark only experts succeed. Most beginners fail because of emotions, not intelligence. Keycap 10. Why people lose money in the stock market. Fear, greed, panic selling, no planning, no education. The stock market punishes impatience. Keycap 1. Keycap 1. Stock market versus saving money. Explain difference. Saving equals safety. Stock market equals growth. Saving protects money. Investing helps money grow. Keycap 1. Keycap 2. The role of discipline and knowledge. The stock market rewards discipline more than talent. Success in the stock market is boring, slow, and consistent. The stock market is not a shortcut to becoming rich. It is a long-term journey of learning and patience. The stock market is simply a system where companies grow and people become owners. It's not magic, it's not gambling, and it's not only for experts. Understanding is the first step. What is the global stock market? The global stock market is a network of stock exchanges from different countries where companies raise money, investors buy ownership, economies connect with each other. There is no single global market, it's many markets connected together. Major stock markets of the world. United States. World leader, NYSE. New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ. Why important? Biggest companies. Highest trading volume. Influences all other markets. Examples of companies. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon. When the US market moves, the world listens. Europe. Major markets. London Stock Exchange, UK, Euronext, Europe, Frankfurt Stock Exchange, Germany. Focus. Banking, manufacturing, energy, luxury brands. China. Major exchanges. Shanghai Stock Exchange, Shenzhen Stock Exchange, Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Characteristics. Government influence. Fast-growing companies. Manufacturing and technology focus. Japan. Tokyo Stock Exchange, known for technology, automobiles, stability. India. Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, National Stock Exchange, NSE. Known for rapid growth. IT and services. Retail investors. Other important markets. Canada, Australia, South Korea, Brazil. Every country's stock market reflects its economy. How global stock markets are connected. Money moves across borders. Investors invest globally. News travels instantly. Example: a crisis in one country can affect markets worldwide. Factors that connect markets. Global companies. International investors. Trade relations. Technology. Time zones and trading. Stock markets open at different times. Asia opens first. Europe follows. US opens last. The stock market never truly sleeps. Global events that affect stock markets. Explain with examples, no fear, just education, economic growth or slowdown. Inflation, interest rate changes, political stability, natural disasters, global conflicts. Markets react to uncertainty faster than certainty. Developed versus emerging markets. USA, UK, Japan, Germany. Characteristics. Stability, slower growth, lower risk. Emerging markets. India, Brazil, Indonesia, Vietnam. Characteristics. Faster growth, higher risk, more volatility. Higher growth often comes with higher uncertainty. Why investors look at global markets. Explain reasons. Diversification, growth opportunities, risk balance, currency exposure. Not putting all money in one country reduces risk. Stock market indexes, worldwide. An index shows how a group of top companies is performing.
Famous global indexes: S&P 500, USA, Dow Jones, USA, Nasdaq 100, USA, FTSE 100, UK, Nikkei 225, Japan, Sensex and Nifty 50, India. Indexes show the mood of the market. Currency and stock markets. Strong currency attracts investors. Weak currency can scare investors. When currency falls, foreign investors become cautious. Global stock market myths. Cross-mark: you must invest only in your country. Cross-mark: global markets are only for experts. Cross-mark: bigger markets never fall. No market is risk-free. Technology and global markets, modern angle. Explain. Online trading platforms, instant news, AI and algorithms, faster decisions. Technology has connected global markets like never before. How beginners should view global stock markets. Educational advice: safe. Learn first. Understand basics. Avoid emotional decisions. Think long term. Understanding the global picture makes local markets clearer. Strong reality check, trust builder. Even the world's biggest markets rise and fall. The stock market is not about prediction, it's about preparation. The stock market is not just numbers on a screen. It is the reflection of global businesses, people, and economies. If this video helped you understand the stock market, like this video. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance content. And comment below, was the stock market confusing before this video? Thank you for watching my video. I will come again soon with another interesting topic. Take care yourself and family. Bye.